Hi everyone, Agnes here. Thank you very much to all of you that have sent in videos, links, research, YouTubes, podcasts, all sorts of different bits and pieces in response to me asking about the hooponopono, Dr. Hew Len, him going to the hospital in Hawaii, and whether that story was true. This has come up with a few people that I have had conversations with, and I thought, let's do a bit more exploration, because we hear stories and we pass them on, but sometimes we don't know if they are true. So I'm going to leave you to go through all the links down in the description. You can then comment what you think in the thread. I am still to this day a big lover of hooponopono. It has done wonderful things in my life, and there have been some wonderful success stories using hooponopono. So I will put those two playlists down below, the Ho'oponopono Success Stories playlist and also the Ho'oponopono Meditations playlist. So for those of you that enjoy it, would like to do it, would like to practice it, as it is a Hawaiian forgiveness prayer. And it is to dissolve the parts of you that attract that, that create that, and to work on the self. So for those of you that are that way inclined, all the links down below. For those of you that have done your own research, let us know what you've found, post, share, and we can all sift through it and see what you think. Lots of love, everyone. See you in the next YouTube.